You're welcome to my channel. This is VsmDesigns. Today we are going to learn how to make this fabric weaving pocket design. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Before we go into the video proper, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Now let's go straight to today's tutorial. First of all, I have my light paper gum stair faced upward so that after the weaving I can directly gum it. This is the first layer, which is the simplest of all. I am using black ribbon and sky blue shining bias. What you're going to do is to place one sky blue, two black, one sky blue, two black, one sky blue, two black, and in that order. Just like I said earlier, this first layer is the simplest, followed by the second layer. Then the third layer is more technical, which is where the magic happened, although all of them follow the same process. So you must watch to the end of this video for you to get the best out of it. So we are done with the first layer, and this is how the second layer will be placed diagonally. This sky blue will go under the sky blue. Anywhere you see sky blue, it will go under it. Just stay glued to this channel because in the coming days I will be rolling out more amazing fabric weaving designs. Just turn on your notification bell and be ready for it. Remember, it's still following the same process: one sky blue, two black. Now we are going to fix the first black. This one went under this sky blue, which is the first one. Then this one is going to go under this black. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So it's going to go under black 1. Anywhere you see black 1 is going under it. Black 1, black 1, black 1, black 1, and black 1. One good thing about this fabric weaving is that it's not only useful to tailors, but it's also useful to bag makers, shoe makers, mat makers. It can use it for throw pillows, for cushion covers, and many other things. Remember, sky blue went under the sky blue, black 1 went under the black 1, so black 2 is going under black 2. Black 2, black 2, black 2, black 2, black 2. So it's going under it. Anywhere you see black 2 is going under. So we are starting the process again. This one is still going to follow the same process. Anywhere you see sky blue, it will go under the sky blue. This black 1 is going under the black 1. Anywhere you see black 1, it goes under it. This one goes under the black 2. repeat the same processes all through. Kindly like this video, share to your friends and colleagues, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. The third layer is going to be placed diagonally like this. This is where the technicality comes in. You are going to make a Z sign like this. For this sky blue, remember that on the second layer, sky blue was going on top of the two black lines, but now it's going under the two black lines. And while forming the Z sign, it means you are going to have two black legs of the Z. That's the top and the down will be black, while the horizontal part of the Z is going to be sky blue. You can see black leg and the black leg here. That is how to identify the one that the sky blue is going, where the sky blue is going to go in and where it's going to come out. If your sky blue on this third layer is going under anything apart from black and come out from black, then you are getting it wrong. Note that I'm making use of sky blue and black, so whichever color you will be making use of, you just have to apply the strategy accordingly. Then for the black, you're also going to make a Z sign as well, but now it's going to have one black leg, one sky blue leg. It is a must if you are going to, if this is the design you are making, if you want to achieve your target. For this third layer, your black must go under sky blue and come out from black, or it will go under black and come out from sky blue. This is the next Z. As you can see, it's going under sky blue and coming out from black. This is the next Z. Remember that this one is going from sky blue and come out from black. Then the second black now will go from black and come out from sky blue. That's the Z. This is another Z. This is a Z here. So we are going in from here. Remember that this one now is sky blue. It must go in from black and come out from black. Please kindly like this video, share to your friends and colleagues, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. In case you have any question, you can make use of the comment box. If you try it out, you can send me a direct message on WhatsApp. Link to my WhatsApp is on the description box. This is a Z. This is another Z here. Remember that this is black. It must go under sky blue, come out from black. As you can see, we've already formed our first line of stars. If you have any question, you can make use of the comment box. It's a Z here, another Z, So we are entering from here. Remember, this is black. It's going under from black and coming out from sky blue. After the third layer, I had to gum it round so that the weaving will not scatter. I've already cut my gum into the shape that I need it. What I'm going to do is to gum it here. After gumming, I run it thread by the sides all through before I trim so that the weaving will not fall apart. Then I trim off. I've already cut a strap which I'm going to join by the side for me to fold the edges of the pocket. After which I now fold it round and our pocket is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Always check back for more amazing educational videos that will be helpful to you as a tailor or as a fashion designer. Keep learning day by day because learning never ends. See you on our next video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.